Oh! Hey, I was just checking if the grapes were okay because there was a fly on it. I wasn't even eating it. We're here, part 2 here at the Campus Youth Centre. The choices you make in life determine your future. We're here with the Vodafone peeps. We're just kicking it back. These guys have come in here, engage with our young people, connect with our young people, build a relationship with our young people, and also doing some icebreakers with our young people. So this is what we're doing for the next couple of hours or hour or so. As you can see, all these people here that have Vodafone stuff on them, they're the Vodafone workers. Thank you so much, Vodafone, and we'll see you soon after the show.
I see them bright lights, flashing lights, camera action, I'm ready to make my move. This is more than just passion, though I got no cash, yo, I'm ready to pay my dues. It's been so long since I've been home, and you don't know what I've been through. Now I got my head to the sky, I'm taking my time, Lord knows I got nothing to prove.
Side. 1, 2. Oh, nice.
Thank you, Vodafone.
Thank you, Vodafone.
Thanks, Vodafone.
Thanks, Vodafone.
I see them bright lights, flashing lights, camera action, I'm ready to